Zero-based budgeting, or ZBB, starts from a zero base, analyzing every function within an organization for its needs and costs. Unlike traditional budgeting, which often increases incrementally, ZBB requires a justification of both old and new expenses. This method ties top-level strategic goals to specific functional areas, ensuring that every dollar spent aligns with the company's objectives. Imagine a construction company discovering it can save money by manufacturing parts in-house rather than outsourcing, thanks to ZBB. ZBB can be a rolling process, reviewed over several years, making it a detailed and time-consuming method, but one that can significantly lower costs. While traditional budgeting may overlook cost drivers, ZBB's granular approach ensures every expenditure is justified. However, ZBB isn't without its challenges. It's resource-intensive and may favor short-term gains over long-term investments, like research and development. Despite its drawbacks, ZBB offers focused operations, budget flexibility, and strategic execution, preventing the misallocation of resources. Zero-based budgeting, a meticulous yet powerful tool to optimize costs and drive value in any organization.